Okay, let's start to make a youtiao. Mari kita membuat CAKWE. The ingredients are bread flour, tepung roti, rice flour, tepung beras, sugar gula, dry yeast ragi kering, baking soda, baking powder, salt, garam. All together we mix evenly. Semua kita aduk sampai rata selama 5 menit. For 5 minutes we stirring. Warm water and cooking oil. One, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, air, dan 2 sendok makan minyak sayur atau minyak goreng. And then we need only for 3 minutes. Selanjutnya kita uleni selama 3 menit. Kita taruh dalam box selama 10 menit. The ingredients are to make youtiao. Bahan baku yang diperlukan untuk membuat cakwe: bread flour, tepung roti, dry yeast, ragi kering, softener bread, cornstarch, tepung maizena, baking soda, baking powder, rice flour, tepung beras, salt, garam, cooking oil, minyak sayur. Semua bahan baku kita aduk, all the ingredients we mix together. 1 spoon sugar, 1 sendok makan gula. We mix again. Water, air, 2 tablespoons of oil, without bread softener and cornstarch. This one with bread softener and cornstarch. Softer. But this one is softer. This is the breadstick, the youtiao or cakwe, the one without bread softener dan cornstarch. This is the 3rd day, so it's a little bit like dry. And this is the breadstick with bread softener and cornstarch. It's a softer. Can you imagine this is 3 days? And I have the one for 1 week. This is the first one. I make many times, almost every day I make this. So this is for 1 week. I keep in the box like this for check the quality of the recipe. So this is a 1 week one. Stay soft, and this one little bit hard. I must press up a little bit without bread softener. So what is your recommendation after you try my recipe? But I do many times, many years to make this. So my left hand, the one with a bread softener and cornstarch, because combined with the rice flours, it will result is a very good. And number 3, my recommendation with this recipe, both recipe, because using rice flour, your cooking oil is not easy to be brown color. So Buat rekomendasi saya adalah yang sebelah kiri, karena yang sebelah kiri memakai bread softener. Ini akan bagus banget untuk kita bisa simpen lama, dan ini 1 minggu masih lembut seperti ini. Dan ini ada yang 1 minggu. Nah, ini keras, agak sedikit keras tapi masih lembut juga. Tapi kalau mau dibandingkan dengan yang ini, akan lebih baik yang ini. Itu aja, dan selamat mencoba resep saya. Thank you for trying my recipe and give me the comment. Bye.